Welcome to WP Services, where we empower you with essential knowledge to keep your WordPress website in top shape. Whether you're new to WordPress or a seasoned developer, understanding the power of a dedicated WordPress retainer is a game changer. Let's embark on this journey to discover how it can revolutionize your WordPress experience. Step 1. Grasp the dilemma. Are you wrestling with the constant need for updates, security issues, and unexpected glitches? You're not alone. 42% of website owners struggle with these challenges. Step 2. Embrace the dedicated retainer. Imagine having a team at your disposal, ready to tackle any WordPress-related issue. It's like having your own peace of mind guardian. Step 3. Experience flexible support. Need a quick fix, a plugin update, or even a complete website overhaul? A dedicated retainer provides timely assistance, ensuring your website stays seamless and optimized. Step 4. Recognize the cost-effective solution. Believe it or not, a dedicated retainer can cost you 40% less than hiring an in-house developer, while providing a broader skill set. Some pro tips. Choose a retainer plan that matches your website's needs. Communicate openly with your dedicated support team. Leverage the retainer for proactive maintenance, not just reactive fixes. Now you know the potential of a dedicated WordPress retainer, offering you flexible support, peace of mind, and substantial cost savings. Eager to explore further? Dive into the resources below to deepen your understanding. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks about WordPress.